So this is our 87 Integra that we put together for the 40th anniversary of Acura this year. I'm James Nazarian from Honda Racing Corporation. I'm project manager for this build as well as a lot of HRC's special projects and commercial racing. So this is the first generation of the Integra. It was only a 3-year car here in the States before it got its first update. So this car uses a torsion beam front suspension and a solid axle or twist beam rear. As we learned as we were working on it, the parts are all slightly unique to this car. Some of the Hondas, the Civics, did have similar things in this same period, but the ones on this car are unique just to it. The air dam is a custom-made piece for this car. You know, Acura raced these cars in period with CompTech, and we really wanted to pay tribute to those early race cars as well. You know, we won, I believe, 2 manufacturer championships and a driver championship in the late 80s. So that sort of pays tribute to those original cars. Whereas the wing is actually a restored original piece. This is the original D16A1 from this car. We've completely gone through it, mechanically rebuilt it back to stock, and then, you know, kind of in keeping with that tuner theme, have updated to modern electronic ignition, to coil on plug. We're running a modern ECU on it. We've also rebuilt the gearbox, put a limited slip diff in it, custom-made axles that you guys put together for us, as well as engine mounts that you made special for this project, and a long tube header and custom exhaust that Borla put together for us. We're running a Link Monsoon ECU, and then we built the loom in-house for it. Yeah, so on the interior, you know, we tried to keep the dash intact as much as we could, restore what was originally there, and then, you know, stripped out all the carpet, the door panels, things like that, and put some modern racing seats, some 6-point harnesses, half roll cage, custom built for this car. A lot of those types of things that you would put in a car that was going to see some track time. Coilovers, well, the front dampers, the rear coilovers are from Tane. We went through, made polyurethane bushings for everything. Some came from similar era Civics, others we custom made. We even ran into a few areas where we couldn't get anything and 3D printed a number of things for this car too. So these are AO50s.
Yeah.
You know, when we told Yokohama about this project, as you could probably imagine, there aren't a lot of 14-inch performance tires in the world anymore. And when I was talking to Yokohama, they said, you know, we've got a tire in Japan that would do just what you want to do.
Yeah.
So they sent us a couple sets of 14-inch track tires from Japan for this project. He had this out on the Long Beach circuit earlier this week, having quite a bit of fun with it. And everyone that got a chance to ride along in it also came back with huge grins on their faces. I think you'll see a lot of this car being the 40th anniversary of Acura this year. I think this car is going to travel around a fair amount. It will be on display this next weekend at the Long Beach Grand Prix. It will be in the parade, the Acura parade on Sunday before the IndyCar race. And then it'll go into the Honda Collection Hall. And then longer term, it's still up in the air. I think we've had so much fun with this car, the reception on this car has been so good that I think you'll be seeing more of it.